an early learning librarian with the Spokane County Library District, here to share with you an early learning tip. Children are naturally curious and they love to experiment, and it gives them a safe place to ask questions, make predictions, look at cause and effect, develop their language skills and vocabulary, and deepen their knowledge. These skills are really important as they are learning to read and continue to learn. One experiment that's fun and easy to do is with a bunch of different white substances, such as cornstarch, potato flakes, sugar. You could also do flour, salt, and then putting those in little containers and letting your child really take a look at those. See what they feel like. See how they are the same and how they are different. And then to be able to do some experimenting with some water. What happens when they add water to these different substances and mix them up? How do they change? How are they the same? Flat or cornstarch and water can be a lot of fun for children to play with and experiment with. So take some time to let your child do some experimentation, as it helps to develop lifelong skills that are going to benefit them as they are learning. For more learning resources, please visit our website at scld.org. Thanks.